The levels of retardation we've seen on Amazing Life 24/7 over the years do not rival what you're about to witness. Let's start mild with a guy who should have stolen a belt instead of beer. Moving down the intelligence ladder, see if you can tell if this guy is lip syncing. Recent Cambridge research shows that stupidity levels skyrocket when explosives are involved. Let's see if that's true.
Right, now, and don't have that ready. Don't slam it close, because you don't want to break it before you even start, like. Late.
You have to slam it.
Aiden, you won't have to slam it. You won't. Don't do it, bye. Don't do it. Leave it. Just don't do it. Aiden, close it gently. Close that gently. Close it. Oh, I can't believe that just happened. Don't look at it. Oh shit.
Meanwhile, this woman must be on some serious narcotics because nobody is this dumb.
Блин, бензином в окно поливает. Блин. Не взорвало ничего.
Давай еще так спокойно сделать.
Finally, this is the king of dumb fuckery.
Only on 5 tonight, it's not the way to impress a potential boss. A teenager walks into a hobby store, resume in hand, and walks out with stolen merchandise.
Surveillance video shows him walk in, go up to the cash register, and hand over a resume. The young man applying for a job is told he's too young to work at Airsoft and Hobby World. But before the job candidate walks out the door, he takes a $129 BB gun off the shelf. Is this your resume?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It wasn't difficult for KTLA to find the young suspect because while stealing may be dishonest, his resume was pretty accurate.